Question number 4. The quality of teaching is reflected by option A, the attendance of students in the class. Option B, the pass percentage of students. Option C, the quality of questions asked by students. Option D, the duration of silence maintained in the class. Needless to explain, it is pretty commonsensical. So, let's go over by the options and see which is the correct statement. Option A, the quality of teaching is reflected by the attendance of the students in the class. I agree, attendance matters, but it is not enough to convey the quality of teaching. Because, let's be honest, many of us choose to attend a particular class just for the sake of attendance percentage. Option B, the quality of teaching is reflected by the pass percentage of students. I agree, pass percentage of overall students in the class matters a lot, but it is not the whole story when it comes to the quality of teaching. For example, back in my days, I have secured pretty good grades in physics, even though I have no idea what I was studying. Okay, now let's look at the option T. The quality of teaching is reflected by the duration of silence maintained in the class. Nope. Now, option C. The quality of teaching is reflected by the quality of questions asked by the students. Well, let me tell you this. He who questions much shall learn much and retain much. Francis Bacon. A well-learned mind will always have more questions than answers. Helen Keller. Because, cognitively speaking, when you question, then it means you are actively processing the information. With that being said, option C is the right answer.